brown sugar, 6 tablespoons ketchup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I could have really eyeballed that. Let's try and do this recipe correctly. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay. 2.5 tablespoons of sherry or chicken broth. You know what? We're going to use a Pinot. 1, 2, and a half. Give or take. Half teaspoon dried ginger. Minced garlic. Minced garlic. That looks like a lot. And that's what that is. So we're going to mix it all up now. Oh man. Okay. Oh wow. That looks pretty incredible. Not going to lie. Oh my God. Oh, that's going to be. Oh, wow. Iboma. Okay, we just put it all in a bag for tomorrow. Let's seal her up all nice and pretty. Oh man, look at that, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. Here we go. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Cooking Kentucky. And we're out here at Jefferson Memorial Forest. I'm really excited. My girl Victoria's with us.
Hi, y'all.
We're gonna have way too much fun. We're gonna cook a really great meal today. Right now, we're just doing a little bit of hiking. So stick around. Check out what we're looking at. This place is beautiful. We're in a pine forest right now. You know that?
Yep. Oh, I do.
It's crazy.
It's fantastic. Very nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, so we've done probably a couple miles really, and I realized something. I'm severely out of shape. Jefferson Memorial Forest, like I said, has got some amazing trails. Came down one side, going up another. Yeah. Good for your gluteus maximus.
I'm all bundled up.
She's cold, she's waiting on the bar.
I'm always cold.
Always carry dryer lint. Can y'all see it? A little medicine bottle, dryer lint. Just stuff it in the medicine bottle. It'll stay waterproofed. And use plenty of it. You don't have to be conservative. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna do a quick. There we go. Get that going. And we can already hear it popping and cracking, which is a good sign, everybody.
You're bigger gadget whore than I am.
See the small one first. Alright, this is actually going to be kind of fun. Roasted peanut. Smoke.
That's a bummer. One minute later, but right now I'm going to stick with my water.
Crazy now, that works.
We got it down in the fire.
We are here to cook, but might as well enjoy some delicious meals ready to eat.
I was just many years old when I learned what MRE meant. That's not embarrassing.
As you guys can see, I'm drinking the delicious Cougar Bait from Country Boy Brewing.
I got my water in my Birch Life Coaching water bottle.
I'm going to mac on some cheese spread and crackers, which used to actually be something I very much enjoyed in the Army. Look, this ain't gourmet, okay? Alright, let's try it.
Not so good?
Actually really good. Like, it's kind of like you're eating cardboard. But there's something very comforting about it. I don't know what it is.
I used to love that shit in the can.
The tan stuff is good too. I love it.
But it's got to be on like a Ritz or a Town, like the buttery kind of cracker, man. Just squeeze.
I put
As we're sitting over here going, yeah, canned cheese, it's so good.
pepperoni pizza
That just seems wrong.
with cheese and sauce.
Yeah, that just, no. I am curious about the beef jerky trail mix, though. What does it have in it?
Oh my god. Okay. Everybody, let's look at this real quick.
Ew.
I gotta tell you, it does not look terrible. Guys, I'm not upset about this right now. It's kind of interesting.
Interesting, that's a good word.
It's not terrible. It's actually pretty good.
Alright, let's try the interesting cranberry beef jerky almond. That's a lot of beef jerky, man.
Oh wow. Look.
Alright, I'm gonna try this. I'm going in. I think I got a cranberry, a beef jerky, and a nut. It's really interesting because all you taste is the cranberry, right? It overpowers anything until right at the end you get that little hint of like jerky spice. It's different. Yet she's still eating it.
I know, see? They're kind of addictive. I mean, it's like you go, they're not the greatest thing in the world, but once you start eating it, you're kind of like, you know what? I get it. You do it all the time. There you go. There you go. Okay. Right, you can actually grab like yourself. Sorry. I'm gonna try it the first time. The other side. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. My next level sport. Okay. We get recipe, guys. I haven't even tried a corn asparagus yet. I'm going in there again.
It's all really good.
What was it? I don't remember that.
With champagne and Ripple. Ripple is just Boone's Farm.
Right now, guys.
Brownies. Now I know it's
Brownie. I love the texture of brownie. That's what it is. I'm not complaining. Obviously, my face is full of it. It's delicious. I don't like this smell. It's good. I'm going to tell you right now, this is just the reason. It's good. Well, had a delicious meal.
Yeah.
And now we're both just chilling out in our little freaking hammocks over here. Queen Victoria's all bundled up because she's freezing. It's like 60 degrees out here, and she's like, it's so freaking cold.
That's my
I mean, she's over there bundled with the poncho liner. Look at her. She's looking at her.
So I got poncho too.
So it's been an enjoyable day. We did a little bit of hiking, didn't do a whole lot, but and then that dinner was damn good though.
That dinner was amazing.
And had some delicious brownies afterwards. Today's adventure was really great. Again, don't forget, if you want one of those really cool cutting boards, please let me know. You can send an email. There's my email address right there, going across the screen in a little typewriter format. I'm letting my editor know what to do. Thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate it. Please subscribe. Hit that good little bell and everything so you know what's going on. Check out all of our original stuff, Ville TV Network, Creative Motion Studios, and everything else that we're doing. But right now, Cooking Kentucky, it's going to be a thing. And we're just going to continue to have some fun and show you some great culture. All right, guys. Have a great day. Say bye, Victoria.
Bye, Victoria.
See, she knew what to say. Bye, Stella.
Bye, Stella. Bye, Stella.
Thanks for joining me again. We'll see you next time. Cooking Kentucky.